Welcome all. We have already started our 10th lesson, that is equation. So we are going to see the next part of this lesson. So just see near the board what actually is given on the board. Here you can see x plus 2 is equal to 5. These questions are basically asked as solve. Nothing more than that. So here when this particular case is occurring, you can clearly see equal sign is present. So the right hand side and the left hand side both will be same. That means if the value of this particular side is equal to 5, then what will be the value of x? If someone asks you this question, you can orally also answer it. But right now we are studying and this will be useful for you in the next class. So we are going to solve it. How we are going to solve it? Just see. We want the value of x. I will just give you a simple example. Suppose there are two methods of solving this. First we will see both the methods also. Suppose if you are studying in a room, you are studying with your brother in a room. Your brother is disturbing you continuously. So what you will do, you will make him to shift from one place to another. You will request him to go from that place and shift in another one. Same over here, we want the value of x. This 2 is disturbing us. This 2 is coming in between of us. So what we will do, we will shift that 2 at some other place. So method 1 tells you x will be as it is. The number, the variable which is given will be present as it is. It is not going to change the place. This equal sign also I am going to write as it is. Now suppose if I have told your brother to shift at some other place. He will shift a place and he will go in some other room. When he will go in some other room, he is not going to adjust themselves immediately. So the one who is there, the owner of that room will remain as it is, same as it is. What I did, I kept x as it is. I wrote this equal sign as it is. I wrote this phi as it is. Who is disturbing us? This 2 is disturbing. Now 2 is having the sign plus. When 2 will go that side, where 2 can go? The one side which is remaining, it will be this side. When 2 will be shifted, along with the sign it is going to shift, but the sign is going to change. Why? Because it is going another way. So this plus 2 will come here and become what? Minus 2. Again I am telling what we did. I want the value of x. I kept the x as it is. This plus 2 I shifted over here and I did minus 2. I have not changed the place of phi. I kept the phi as it is. You can clearly see my equal is below equal. X is below x. And this plus 2 came over here, became minus 2. Now you will be thinking, suppose teacher here it was minus. If it was minus 2, if it was coming here, it would have been plus 2. Right now it was plus 2. So when it came over here, it became minus 2. You consider another one example. If suppose you want to cross if there is a river in between, and if you want to go to the another end, if someone is taking you from one place to another, you are supposed to pay him something. Same way, this 2 is traveling from this place to this place. So while traveling, he is going to pay. The nothing pay means what? The sign is getting changed. This is plus, this becomes minus over here. So the value of x will be 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So you can clearly see over here the value of x is 3. If you put 3 over here, you can see 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 3 plus 2 is also 5 and this is also 5. So our answer is correct. Have you understood this? Now what is the method number 2 which is actually given in your textbook? You can follow any of the method which you want. Basically I will suggest you to follow this method because in your higher classes this is very much easy. This part is being used, not the another one. Textbook method, it is only for you to understand clearly. Same question I will write down. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Now what I am supposed to do? Just clearly see over here. X plus 2 is equal to 5. My basic motto is what? I want this value of x. My motto, anytime the variable will be any. Variable means what? This x, y, all alphabets which are present in the equation, they are variables. So when I am going to solve this, I am going to find the value of x. So this 2 is again disturbing me. How I can remove that 2 without throwing him out? Yes, what I can do, I can add minus 2 into it. What I am going to do here, it is plus 2. You can clearly see 2 minus 2. What will be the answer? 0 itself. Now the sign of 2 is plus always. When there is no sign, always plus is there. So this plus 2 minus 2. What will be the answer? 0 itself. Same. I am going to add 2 both because I want to remove this. But now your plus sign is there. What I am going to do, if I added plus 2, it will be addition. I don't want addition over here. Again the answer will increase. So subtract minus 2 from both sides. Equation I will write as it is, x plus 2 which was present, minus 2 from both the sides. So minus 2 over here and minus 2 over here. Okay. Now you can clearly see plus 2 minus 2. What will be the answer? They will go. So only x will remain. And here 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So here and there we got the answer same. So for understanding purpose, for technical purpose, this is okay. Your textbook method. But actual method, if you want to apply this for your higher classes, go through this method. Here it is plus, it shifted that side, so the sign changed, and your plus 2 got converted into minus 2. I will suggest you, no force, it's totally your decision. I will suggest you to choose this method. Okay? We will see the next question based on it. M plus 6 is equal to 2. And now see, you can clearly see, here I want the value of M. Anytime, whichever the variable will, then always remember your focus, your aim will be to find the value of it. Now M I want alone on one side, then only I will get its value. This plus 6 is disturbing me. What I am supposed to do? Yes, I am going to suppose, I am supposed to shift it that side. Equal to will as it is, 12 will be as it is. This plus 6 shifted that side and what converted into minus 6. What I did, M I kept as it is, equal I kept as it is, 12 I kept as it is. This plus 6 got over here, came over here and became minus 6. So the value of M is equal to 12 minus 6 is what? Yes, it is 6. So the value of M is what? 6. By another method, if you want to do, you may clearly see I am just going to write the question. M plus 6 is equal to 12. Same question. Here it is plus 6. I want to remove it. I want to want it. So I will add what? I will insert what in that particular question. I will subtract minus 6 from both sides. If it is plus 6, I will subtract minus. If it was minus, I will add plus. Okay. So subtract minus 6 from both sides. So M, this plus 6 as it is, I subtracted minus 6 from both the sides. So both the sides I am going to do this function. M plus 6 minus 6, it is going to get cancelled. What is going to remain over here? M equal as it is, 12 minus 6 is what? 6. So the answer will be M is equal to 6. Now we are going to see the next part, that is y plus 3 is equal to 9. What I am supposed to do over here now? Y I am going to keep as it is, as I have told you earlier, the variables A, B, C, whichever the variables they are giving you, keep it as it is. Equal sign also as it is. 9 also as it is. This plus 3 came over here and became what? Minus 3. Y is equal to 9 minus 3 is what? 6. Clear? By the next method, by the next step, this is first method, this is second method. So same we will do minus y plus 3 is equal to 9. Here it was plus 3. So I am going to subtract what? Minus 3. So subtract minus 3 from both sides. Y plus 3 minus 3, 9 minus 3. So answer will be this, both got cancel, y is equal to 6. So both the sides your answers are coming same. The thing is what? This is very easy to understand and very essential for you in your next class. We will see the next part of it.